Hey everyone, my name is Will. I'm the CEO of Phonely, and today I want to walk through a very quick video on how you can use the advanced variable section to store variables of any type of format automatically using AI. Now, why is this valuable? Well, let's say that you want to collect a very specific piece of information from your customers, let's say their VIN number. To collect their VIN number, you know that you need to format this in some very specific format, and the AI can't make a mistake. So you need to make sure that it writes it down in the right format every single time. Well, Phonely's advanced variables can handle this, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. To do that, let's jump right into the platform so that you can see for yourself. To use advanced variables, first things we got to do is get head into our agent design page, which is all the magic happens inside of Phonely. We're going to edit our flow here. And in this flow, we're gathering information about a vehicle. So we need to ask the customer for their VIN number. To do this, we want to ask it in the prompt. So maybe we'll modify the prompt and we'll say ask for their VIN number in here. Once we have that configured, it's going to be stored as a variable. Now, if you don't know what variables are, variables allow you to basically have the AI write down information so that it can be used later in the conversation, or you can use it in your tools. So in your CRM, in your in your scheduling software, whatever, the AI is basically extracting that information from the conversation, writing it down, taking a note so it can be used later. Now, in this situation, we have the vehicle VIN. And we get to set the type that we want it to be stored at. Right now, it's just stored as text, but we can also do different things like text, number, date, time, email, currency, you name it. But one of the areas that we want to look at is the custom field. Now, what the custom field allows us to do is it allows us to say exactly how we want it to be formatted. So if it's a date and we want it to be formatted as a very specific format of date, for example, here, the date in year dash month dash day format, we can set that up. If we want it to be a very specific format for our VIN number, well, we can set that up here. So right now we've just described the vehicle number, the VIN number of a vehicle. So we're giving the AI model a description of what it should be so that the AI can understand what it should be looking for and how it should be formatting it. And then we're also going to give it an example so that it knows what one should look like. So a 17. So in this situation, what I did is I said a 17-digit mixture of numbers and letters that is used to identify a car. Now, if we had a specific format that we wanted to hit, we can include that as well. We said never store spaces or any characters, just use a raw VIN number. So what I'm doing here is I'm prompt engineering. If you have some struggles with prompt engineering, you can also just ask our AI model, which you can get over to the right, for good suggestions on prompting, and it will do that for you. The next thing that you can do here is, let's say that we've gone ahead, we've set this, we've typed in our custom type here, we have our VIN number. We can also set this as required, and then we can confirm back with our customers that we have the right information before it moves forward. That is a super valuable feature because it makes sure that you're not getting the information wrong and you don't have to do any extra prompting. Just hit the confirm feature and then it's going to confirm back with your customers. All right, there you have it. That is how you can use the advanced variable features to store custom information like VIN numbers, specific date formats, or anything else using our AI with just a couple clicks. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video to the end. We can't wait to see what you build in Phonely's platform.